All right, everybody, this is your boy Mr.AlwaysFishing. Today I'm down here at the Mosswell Dam. We'll be trying something different out. We're gonna try to catch some catfish today off this thing I seen on the internet. Some Jello and some chicken. Got a few poles. We're gonna go out there, let it soak, see if we can get us a catfish or two, see if they bite. Weather is currently 62 degrees, a little windy out here, so it's a perfect day though. Sunday. It was raining yesterday like all day long. Before I touch this chicken, sit here and get my glove on. See. All right, let's go. Start this up. Give me a piece of it. Oof, man. Go ahead and cut some little decent sized pieces. I don't even want to touch this chicken because I know when I'm gonna end up touching my mouth, and I don't want no salmonella. So go ahead and just cut a couple pieces up, a few pieces up just to start off. That's what we're gonna leave that right there. Cool. So I'm trying to take this glove off without touching it. So there we go. So all we do is we ourselves another bag. Go ahead and put our chicken in the bag. Pieces in there. We'll take our Jello. Crack that bad baby open. We're just gonna pour some in there. I think that might be good. This is only a couple pieces in there. I probably poured too much, to be honest with you. Good shaking. Pretty much it. That's all. I'm gonna hook this thing on a circle hook and throw her out there and see what we can get. Let's do it. Catch y'all when I'm in the water. All right, y'all. Got my 2 rod holders down. I got 2 poles out. Can just sit and wait. Keep y'all on standby until I get a bite. Let's go. There's a lot of waiting going on. Let's see. All right, man, we done sat here for about 30 minutes, 45 minutes almost, so ain't no gonna bite yet. So I'm finna, we ain't finna stick around long. Finna just hit the road. Reel these up in a second. I'm gonna reel this other one up first. Reel this one up and hit the road. Get out of here, guy. Nothing. All right, see y'all in the next spot. Spot number 2, and my rod is bouncing a little bit. I don't know what's making it bounce. There is a strong current here. I'm right by the dam today, on this side of me. But yeah, that rod is bending a little bit. That's probably the current taking it. I won't be surprised if it's just the current pushing it. So I don't know though. I ain't catfished in a while, so I'm not sure how they bite. But I thought when they bit, they took it. So catch a lot of saltwater catfish, not freshwater cats. So we're gonna see. Hopefully get on something down here, something big. The water's running and water moving good. So we're gonna see. Let's hit y'all up when I get a bite, if I get a bite. Go my boy. He got that bass on there. Yeah. No. Oh man. There's some more down there, man. I know. Damn. Dang it, man. Whoo. Oh, come on, man. You can't make this up. He fight on them. He still had them on there. That's what I'm talking about. And he getting them in. Oh man, what? I thought it was about a 9-10 pounder. Nice. No, I don't keep them. I don't keep bass. There's some big ones down here though. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. Last year I caught, when they were spawning, I caught about a 8.5 pounder. Right down there. Yep. Yeah. They're about ready to get on beds now. Yeah. Let's get another pole out here, y'all. People out here catching bass. That's a good sign, man. It's a good sign. This boy caught him a bass already. Put some of this Kool-Aid mix on there. See if we can get us a catfish or something. I should have came out here with my minnow net. Try to get some bass. Cause man, them bass, they're hitting down here. Finna see. Bass hitting good down here from what it looked like. Yeah, the way it came up, I was like, man, that's a nice fish, man. It could have been two. Yeah, because the first one spit it and it still had the bait on there. Yeah. Yeah. Let's call somebody's line. Some thick braid too, man. Real thick braid. They was fishing with down here. I'll catch a monster. And they still got their bait on there. What? Ain't that something? Cleaning up the environment. Let's go. Ain't catch a fish yet, but I caught me a bait. Happy with that. Those shiners, the people getting them good. Look at them. He tearing them up. I'm about to start bass fishing, y'all. This man over here catching all the bass around me. Finna bass fish a little bit. Dang, that's a decent size bass. About what, 3 pounds?
Yeah, I'm gonna hang on with this.
Yeah, there it go. Yeah, the bass out here, they biting good. This is his second, third bass, man. He catching them good out here, man. Gonna get my butt out here. Get my butt out here and flip some. Start flipping some. A little Ned riggy out here, man. I think they coming in this thing to start bedding. Yeah, there's 2 of them. Man, y'all, I might abandon catfishing and start bassing, cause man, dude, smoking these bass, boy. The second bass just got down here, same time I did. You know what that means? I'm finna get my behind. And start bass fishing, cuz. We're at the dam, and it's 2 helicopters finna take off right now at the dam. Come on, man, we can't make this up. 1. I think they literally landed and went to the little diner right down the little road. How much money you gotta have to literally take your helicopter out for breakfast? That's crazy. Look at this. That's wild. Wave to them, y'all. Wave to them, y'all. Hell yeah. Gotta have money to do that. That's crazy money. We got him another one. He tearing them butts. Yes, sir. This ain't his first time. Y'all, I just missed one. Damn. The second one I missed, y'all. Damn. Second one I missed. The chicken and Kool-Aid working, man. Just missed them. Dang. Try it again, y'all. See what's going on with it, man. We're gonna miss 2 of them so far.